Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This channel is Home Hacks. Today I'm dealing with some of the unused items. We are trying to arrange the unused items, leftover building materials such as planks, wood, broken ties, some pieces of iron, heavy planks and the rest. Sometimes when you have these items in your home, you wonder how to handle them. Now, we have a solution here for you. We have overhead water tank here. To construct the overhead water tank, we made a small store outside the house, on top of which the overhead water tank is going to be installed. And that is the hack here. This small store that you can see here outside the house serves to keep all the leftover items, and this is what you can do in your home too. Now you see all the debris we have here looking like debris. They are actually not debris, but they are leftover building materials, and we are going to arrange them into the store. And when we are through, you won't see any item out here again, and the store will take care of everything. So follow along with me as we do this. Don't skip any part of the video so that you can enjoy how we are going to arrange this. We have some pieces of broken floor ties. You can see them here. Likewise, you can see them inside here in the sacks. So we're going to keep them there in case of any need in the future, so that they can be used. Likewise, we have pieces of planks and then some plywood. You can see them. Heavy planks also. We have all of them here, and we're going to be arranging them. You can see the woods that the little boy is bringing out here. We're going to keep all of them safe, and then no water or rainwater can affect them inside the store there. So just follow along as we do this. Martinate them, maybe constructing small Not only the building materials, we also have some car parts, old car parts that have been removed, and then that we can also use some part of it in the future. They are also being kept right in here. All of it in this small store. Let us see how it goes. Like I said, the both car parts are here. Here we have cold radiator, car radiator with its fan still intact. The fan are still here and are working, so in case of the future, we'll alternate them. Board. This is quarter board plywood. Have it here. These tiny pieces of wood are called tie rod. Yes, tie rod. They are used to hold ceiling asbestos to wood inside the house, and also to hold some nets to frames on windows, on doors, and so forth. We are going to be needing them soon. We are going to be using them to hold the net very soon. So therefore, we are keeping it as the last in the store. We are not going to put it deep inside like the other pieces of wood and other items. So that's why we are keeping it here safely for use in the nearest future. The next few days, we are going to be doing that. These are pieces of binding wire that was used by the iron bender during formation of some ironwork on the fence, the pillar, and the lean-to those times. So we're still keeping them here for future use. And some sacks are kept in here in case we need sacks to do some little work on the farm. We keep them right there. Okay. So first of all, we are going to keep all the pieces of wood arranged inside the store. That is what we are doing before we keep the items that might be needed soon close to the door. Sooner or later, we will still need all these pieces of wood to do some jobs, small jobs, like building the cage for chicken, for goats, and so on. We still need small pieces of wood. Everything has become expensive nowadays, so we need to keep them safe for future use. If you are someone that does a lot of job as do-it-yourself, DIY, you must be keeping the items, leftover building materials safe for future use. It costs money to bring them home from the sawmill and the centers where they are selling the materials. So we must keep them for future use. We don't have to waste them. That's the old binding wire. It's going to be kept there. Okay. All the sacks are going to be packed together into one sack. This particular plank is for bricklaying job. This is a plank on top of which mortar will be placed. The sack will be spread on top of this, or a small sheet of a plate, and then mortar will be placed on it as the bricklayers are working. We keep it also for future use. Now, the old nets. We have the old nets. They call this Boko Haram nets for making a cage for chicken. We still keep it for future use. Lastly, I want to keep the tie rod inside. Okay. Also, the cartons are needed for the future. You can use this to cover some portion of the cage for chicken. That's why we are keeping them. All the freezer and solar panel carton. So they are there. Okay. I want to put the tie rod inside now. tie rod is kept just by the door because we are going to be needing it very soon. The nearest future, we are needing it. Okay. Some unused jerry can, then eating rats. Okay. So that is it. You can see everywhere cleared now. No leftover, no debris, and the store is closed. The water tank is on top of the store, and we keep away all the building materials left over in the store and some other items. So you can practice this in your home. Keep all the items out of the house to an external store, which can be used as a stand for overhead water tank like we have here. Don't forget to like and share this video. Until another time, I say bye bye and thanks for watching.